How to withdraw from Binance to mobile money. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. Now open up your Binance app, go to trade. After you come to this trade, now go to swipe to right like this and go to P2P. After you come to this P2P, all you have to do now, go ahead and tap on this sell button. So from this sell button, all you have to do now, you can be able now to see. So you can tap on this option now and select your currency. So for me, I will use Ghanaian cedis. So go and select your currency. I will use GSH Ghanaian cedis. So from this option now, tap on the sell again. So now go ahead now and tap on this payment. So from this option now, go ahead and select the payment method. So scroll all the way to down and search for, as you can see now, here is it now. Go ahead and tap on this MTN Mobile Money, Airtel Money, and Airtel Top Up. So after you select all the payment method, so tap on this confirm button. So tap on this amount. From this option now, go and specify the amount you want to sell. So for me, I want to sell like 500 GHS. So after you specify the amount, now Binance will give you all the eligible. As you can see now, these all are people that are willing now to sell to give me money into my mobile money, and they will receive USDT in exchange. So for me, I'll just go ahead and search for someone. So I'll use this one. This one will be able now to pay me in 15 minutes. So select this one. After you select the person like this now, all you have to do now tap on this select payment method. So from this option now, add payment method. Now go ahead now and add in your mobile number in this option. So for me, let's say I want to add my mobile number. After you finish adding your mobile number like this now, tap on this confirm button. So from there, your mobile number will be added into your. So after you tap on this confirm, from there your account number has been added. So now if you tap on this back, you'll be able now to see your mobile number in this option now. So if you tap on this place order, now the person will be able to send you the money through the mobile number that you gave them. So after you receive the money in your mobile money app, from there you can come back to this option and tap on this red button. It will turn to paid. So if you tap on this paid now, means that you are telling to Binance that you received the payment from this buyer. So from there, Binance will release your USDT to him, since you have already received your Ghanaian cedis into your mobile money app. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe.